In this video, we're going to be talking about supplements and vitamins. Should you be taking them? What should you take? And aren't they all the same? If you've watched the previous videos, you should now have a good understanding of the current health crisis and the rise of degenerative diseases. These diseases, while caused by a buildup of free radicals, can take years before they are noticed or diagnosed. Our body can fight off these diseases, but it needs antioxidants, which we must supply since our body does not produce them. And while getting these nutrients is critical, we can't get the proper amount from our diet and foods. Does any of this sound like you? You have a fast-paced life, continually skipping breakfast, you've got a hectic work schedule, there's a lot of stress on the job, too many work demands, you're making poor food choices, always eating on the run, the quality of available foods just isn't good, a lot of microwave meals, the kids' schedule has you running around like crazy, you have no time to cook the right foods, you're working long hours, taking lunch at your desk, and just never enough time to get anything done. Today's lifestyle can have you feeling like this. So how are you fueling your body? Or are you more like one of these? Have you come back from the future? Are you like a Mr. Fusion and can get the right nutrients from garbage? How do you think this car would run on a gas tank full of water? Well, your body's the same way. It needs the right nutrients to perform properly. So you can see, we need help. The only method you can use to ensure that you're getting the right nutrients is to take matters into your own hands with supplements. But to answer the question, not all supplements are created equal. Something that may surprise you is that the FDA doesn't regulate vitamins or supplements. Let's take a look at their website to see where they stand. Here we are at the FDA website under dietary supplements. And according to the FDA, it regulates dietary supplements under a different set of regulations than those covering conventional food and drug products. They continue by stating, the FDA is responsible for taking action against any unsafe dietary supplement product after it reaches the market. Generally, manufacturers do not need to register their products with the FDA nor get FDA approval before producing or selling dietary supplements. So how do you know you're choosing the right vitamins and supplements? Something that might really help you is the Comparative Guide to Nutritional Supplements. They tested over 1,500 products available in the US and Canada. The standards were determined by a panel of 12 independent nutritional authorities. 18 important health support criteria were considered. To make it easy to understand, they took a scientific approach to analyze each supplement and determine its effects in the human body. Some of you might think, wouldn't it be easier just to read the label? And it would be, if all things were equal. But remember, dietary supplements are unregulated, so just because something is on the label doesn't mean it's in the bottle. What the Comparative Guide did was scientifically look at what's in the bottle. And let's not forget, the FDA is only responsible for taking action for unsafe products after it reaches the market. I don't know about you, but I don't want to be a lab rat with my health for any company. What should you look for in a supplement if you don't have access to the Comparative Guide? FDA registration. This is a voluntary registration, but companies that do demonstrate their willingness for regulation and full disclosure. Pharmaceutical grade. You'll hear this term tossed around quite a bit, but unless the company is willing to submit to third-party testing to validate what's in the bottle, it means nothing. GMP registered. Make sure that their good manufacturing practices are the pharmaceutical grade and not the food grade. There is a difference. NSF certification. The NSF Dietary Supplement Certification Program includes both facility audits and laboratory-based product verification. Bioavailability. This is the absorption rate of the nutrients into your blood system. Since they are unregulated, absorption rates do not have to be tested. This has played a role in creating a credibility problem in the industry. However, there are a few companies that do submit to third-party testing where bioavailability is rated. Science-based formulas. This means the supplement is scientifically designed to meet a specific need in your body. And if you're wondering who the comparative guide ranked the highest, here's the list. There were only 4 companies to receive the 5-star gold medal. USANA Health Sciences, available through their independent associate network. Douglas Laboratories, must be prescribed by your doctor. Creating Wellness Alliance, available through their chiropractic network. TrueStar Health, available in Canada. So which do you want to feel like? A broken down jalopy or a high performance sports car? You do have a choice.